Terracotta Pavilion House by Laboratory of Architecture No. 3 in Tbilisi, Georgia. Navigating mountainous topography, our architectural pursuit led to crafting a pavilion-style residence on a leveled expanse, basking in abundant southern sunlight. This dwelling rests upon a purpose-built, straight stage, overcoming challenges through economical land redistribution and terrain modifications. Clad between light columns in a contrasting hue, the house harmonizes with its surroundings. The fusion of sky and daylight, encapsulated within the architectural prism, introduces a fifth element, erasing boundaries between interior and exterior realms. This seamless connection resonates through symbiotic reflections, intertwining inner and outer spaces. A deliberate choice of placing a single-story house on a platform creates a stacked aesthetic, departing from a conventional boxy structure upon initial observation. Emphasizing spatial dimensions, the surroundings establish a dichotomy between public and private realms. The lower rooms, including the bathroom, extend to individual patios, enriching the living experience. An owner's botanical affinity spurred the creation of a conservatory, transforming the domestic garden into an oasis curtain that frames panoramic views of the Caucasus.